The dot diagram is when you have a few data values, you can use a dot diagram to represent that data. So for example, let's say how many data values do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have these 7 values and I want to use a dot diagram. Basically what that is, you have a number line and on the number line you just make dots. So I have the value -2, so I have a dot at -2. I have the value 3 that appears twice. So that's why I have at 3, I have 2 dots. So that tells you that 3 appeared twice. And 4 also appears twice, so I have 2 dots for 4. And then I have a dot for 6 and dot for 7, right? Is everybody okay with that? So that's the dot diagram basically. I stole a picture from internet again. This is ratings on the show Psych. And so people were given a survey, 1 means I don't like it, 10 means I absolutely love it. Okay, and so this is a dot diagram for that survey, right? So, and if you look at it, most of the people answered, between 3 and 7, right? Between 3 and 7. So if you look at this picture, it gives you some idea of how the data is spread, and it also tells you a little bit about the center of the data. So if you look at this, you say that the center of the data is about near 5, right? Okay. Everybody is okay with that? Another dot diagram. So here I have the values which are 0.107, 0.196, 0.021, and so on. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I got 11 values there. And again, how do you represent them? Well, you make a number line and then make a dot for each value. So if you have a value that appears more than once, you make more than 1 dot for that value. So I guess what is the smallest one? 0.19. So I have the 0.19 here. That's the smallest one, and then 7.3 right here. 2 appears right here. Which one appears 3 times? Okay, why do I have 3 of them here? I think I have a typo. Yes. Yeah. You know what? I have to correct this. So this is not correct. I think I might have. Yeah. So I have to change this. Everybody sees that I really don't have the same value 2 times. Okay. So I don't know why I did. Maybe this red one indicates that I probably wrote them incorrectly. Maybe all 3 of them should have been the same number. Okay. So I forgot exactly what I did, but those red marks seems like I should have. They are all the same. So this is actually 0.107, I think. The first one. 0.107. Oh no, there is something smaller. This is the smallest. Sorry. 0.021. So 0.021 would be the first one. And then you might have this one here. Which one is the second smallest one? 0.17, yes. And I think this one should have been these three somehow, if I change them. Was that? Yeah, it will be 0.1 something, and I probably just wrote them wrong. But in any case, the idea is that for every, if you make a number line for every data value, you make a dot at that value, okay, on the number line. All right, so that's it for dot diagram. So again, dot diagram you use only when you have few values, okay.